Hello everyone, my name is Family Rynjah. I have traveled all the way from the beautiful hills of Meghalaya to Nalbari with a big dream to become a professional nurse. Today I am proud to be a GNM student of Sarathi Nursing Institute. When I was arrived, I was amazed by the infrastructure. The lab facilities are top-notch, giving us hands-on experience that is essential for our training. What makes it even better is having access to the parent hospital facilities where we get the real clinical exposure every day. And the best part, I am getting a very high quality education at very low cost, which make accessible for everyone. Living away from home was a big decision, but the hostel environment here is so supportive and safe. The learning system is designed to help the student excel. Peace of mind is very important. Sarathi Nursing Institute is Indian Nursing Council and Assam Nursing Council registered. This means after I graduate, I am eligible to work anywhere in India or even pursue my career abroad. The doors to the world are truly open for us. If you are looking for a place where excellence meets affordability, looks no farther, please come and join us at Sarathi Nursing Institute to become a GNM nurse today and secure your future.